What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw holiday hot chocolate. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a straight line going across the top of the cup. So we'll start on the left, draw a straight line from left to right about there. Now I'm just going to round up the ends, just pulling this down. Let's bend this in and then come straight down towards the bottom. I'm just going to round up the bottom and pull that back up on the right. Let's add the stem of the cup. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left. And let's round it in. Do the same thing on the right. Just going to round out the bottom. Now we're going to add a circle. Starting back on the left, it's going to add a large bracket on either side. And again, just rounding out the bottom. Now on either side, we're going to bend this down and then out. Round out the end and come straight across the bottom and then round out the right side. Let's add the handle on the left side. We'll start up here. It's going to bend this out, come around, and then in. I just want to trace that shape along the inside. Along the top of the cup, we're going to drip some of that chocolate coming down. So let's start on the top left, bend this in and down, round this out and come up. I'm just going to add a few more drips going across and then over towards the right. Let's add some eyes along the center of the cup. Starting on the left, add a circle. Now we're going to line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Let's add a small circle on the top left for a highlight. Add a smaller circle on the bottom right. And we'll fill the center of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes and add the mouth. We're going to add a curve coming down and then up. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and add a couple marshmallows. On the left side, we're going to angle this up, round up the top, and then angle this down. Let's add another marshmallow in the opposite direction, tucked in behind, going up, around, and then down. Now we're going to add a little face along the inside of each marshmallow. And we're going to add a little bit of whipped cream on the top, starting from the left. And bring that back down on the right. Then adding a candy cane, starting with an angled line. Just curl this around. Round at the end, just trace that curve going back along the inside. We're going to go back and add some stripes inside the candy cane. And then a few sprinkles inside. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our holiday hot chocolate. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.